Hey guys, thanks so much for taking time out to learn how to vote for us in Best of Branson's contest that's going on right now. So it's simple as going to the website that's linked right there on the newsletter we sent you. Also, you can go to the website from any of your other devices if you don't have it. Simply votebestofbranson.com. Pull up the website that you see right here. You can roll down to the services section. Inside that services section, you'll see that there's a real estate agent and a real estate company. Both of those we actually have someone in. So a real estate agent that is up for Best of Branson is Brent Sager. You can see he's selected right there. Once you click on him, it'll give you the option to vote in the next subcategory, which is real estate company. We'd appreciate your vote as well in there by Gherkin and Associates. And you click that and click review and cast my ballot. Now, the part that's most important is you have to click the Submit My Ballot button down here at the bottom in black. If you don't click that, unfortunately, your vote will actually not be cast. So we want to make sure that you get that taken care of as well. You can vote from any of the device, multiple times from any device, and it's an easy process, as you can see. We'd appreciate you taking care of us and voting for us and sharing that out as much as you can as well. Thanks so much and hope you're having a great day.